As homeowners seek energy-efficient and space-saving solutions, tankless water heaters are quickly replacing bulky traditional units. These modern devices provide hot water on demand, saving energy and reducing costs. In this guide, we evaluate the best tankless water heaters available, focusing on heating performance.
List number 1. EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart Eco 11 is one of the most popular choices for compact and efficient home water heating. Equipped with patented self-modulating technology, it adjusts energy usage based on water demand, resulting in impressive energy savings of up to 60%. With an output of 13 kilowatts and 240 volts, it's perfect for small apartments, bathrooms, or kitchens. The compact wall-mounted design saves valuable space while providing an endless stream of hot water. It delivers between 1.3 to 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on the incoming water temperature, enough for a shower and sink to run simultaneously in warm climates. Users love the digital temperature control that allows precise water adjustments in 1-degree increments. It's also eco-friendly and maintenance light compared to traditional tank heaters.
List number 2. Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater. The Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless water heater combines trusted brand reliability with exceptional performance. Designed for medium to large homes, it delivers continuous hot water from multiple fixtures simultaneously. Its 18 kilowatt heating element efficiently handles heavy water demand while maintaining stable temperature output. The digital thermostat with LED display provides accurate control, while the self-modulating power adjustment ensures maximum efficiency by using only the energy required. The sleek, compact unit installs easily on walls, saving floor space in utility rooms or garages. Rheem's copper immersion heating elements are durable and easy to replace, which lowers long-term maintenance costs. It's ideal for showers, dishwashers, and washing machines operating concurrently. List number 3. Tankless water heater electric 110 volts. This 110-volt tankless electric water heater is designed for efficiency and convenience, perfect for single-use applications like bathrooms, kitchens, or RVs. Its compact, lightweight build makes it ideal for tight spaces, while the fast-heating copper element ensures quick hot water delivery. Operating on a standard 110-volt outlet, this unit is easy to install without professional assistance. It features a real-time LED temperature display, giving you precise control over water temperature. The instant heating function eliminates standby energy waste, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Safety features include overheat protection and automatic shutoff for reliable operation. Users love how this unit transforms their sink or shower into an instant hot water source without taking up space. For small apartments, cabins, or mobile setups, this 110-volt tankless heater is a great low-cost solution that provides steady hot water whenever you need it.
List number 4. The Rheem RTEX 24 24 kilowatt 240 volt electric tankless water heater. The Rheem RTEX 24 is a powerhouse designed for large households with high hot water demand. Its 24 kilowatt heating capacity can support multiple showers and faucets simultaneously without any drop in water temperature. Featuring advanced self-modulation, it automatically adjusts energy output to match your usage, maximizing efficiency and lowering utility bills. The sleek digital control panel allows temperature adjustments in 1-degree Fahrenheit increments for precision comfort. With durable copper immersion heating elements and simple connections, it's easy to install and maintain. This model is highly regarded for its fast heating time, strong water flow, and quiet operation. It's capable of delivering up to 5.9 gallons per minute, which is perfect for multi-bathroom homes or large families. If you need an all-electric, high-performance water heater that combines reliability, power, and long-term value, the Rheem RTEX 24 is among the best in its class.
List number 5. Tankless Water Heater Electric 110V Compact Model. Another excellent 110V tankless water heater for small spaces, this model offers quick, consistent heating performance for on-demand hot water. It's ideal for RVs, studio apartments, or offices that require a dedicated hot water source. With a sleek, modern design and corrosion-resistant materials, this compact unit blends durability and style. It provides instant hot water within seconds, saving both time and energy. The built-in LED display allows easy temperature monitoring, and the system features multiple safety layers, including leakage protection, overheat prevention, and dry heating protection. Its installation process is beginner-friendly, requiring only minimal plumbing and electrical knowledge. Despite its size, the heater delivers impressive heat output for its power range. For anyone needing a portable, affordable, and efficient on-demand hot water solution, this compact 110V model stands out for its simplicity and reliable performance.